Now more than ever, cutting energy bills at home makes good sense. In a typical home, 50 to 60% of the energy used goes for heating, cooling, and lighting, and often, much of that is wasted. Well, local utility companies, like the one here in Connecticut where I live, are trying to change that by offering homeowners home energy audits to help them find out where that energy is being lost and what to do about it. Chris Ellert, the manager of residential energy services for the United Illuminating Company, or UI, explains why.
UI provides programs like Home Energy Solutions funded through the Connecticut Energy Efficiency Fund to help consumers lower their energy costs.
One of the key parts of these audits is the blower door test. First, this insert is placed in the door opening and snapped into position. Then, a blower is installed in the insert and sealed in place. Finally, a control box gets mounted on the frame. Next, the furnace is turned off, exterior doors are closed, fireplace dampers are put down, heating and cooling systems and exhaust fans are switched off, and windows are closed and latched. When the fan is started, it begins to pull air from inside the home, lowering the interior pressure and creating a vacuum. A smoke wand is then used to detect air leaks from light fixtures, fireplace dampers, windows, doors, electrical outlets on exterior walls, and gaps around heating and cooling ducts. Once the leaks are detected, they can be reduced or eliminated. Ductwork, for example, is reattached where it's loose and then sealed to the surrounding opening using foil tape. As part of the service, technicians who perform energy audits for the United Illuminating Company use an expanding foam to seal around pipes that penetrate basement ceilings and attic floors. In addition, the technicians fill any gaps or openings that could allow air to leak through. They also install foam gaskets on electrical outlets and switches located in exterior walls. Audit technicians may also install other energy-saving measures, such as door sweeps and weather stripping, and may even apply interior caulk. They will also advise homeowners on how and where to apply exterior caulk and how to adjust door thresholds for a tight seal. Another important part of a home energy audit is something known as the duct blaster test. For this diagnostic, a fitting is taped to a return register and all supply vents are sealed. A section of flexible duct with an attached fan is connected to the fitting. When the fan is turned on, the home's duct system is pressurized. Any escaping air is detected using the smoke wand. These leaks, such as this joint, are then eliminated by applying a quick-drying sealant. A typical energy audit by UI and the Connecticut Energy Efficiency Fund includes an inspection of existing attic insulation. If more is required, be sure to use the type without the paper vapor barrier. Lay it in the same direction as the existing insulation until you reach the top of the joists. Then run it perpendicular to the material underneath. Also, doors and hatchways in attics that are not heated or cooled can be made more energy efficient by adding rigid insulation to the back side. Some energy leaks, such as those through exterior walls, can best be detected using an infrared camera. Walls that fail this test can be made more energy efficient by adding blown-in insulation. 20% of the energy used in the average home is for lighting. Replacing incandescent bulbs with compact fluorescents can cut lighting costs by up to 75%. What's more, newer compact fluorescents come in a variety of styles and shapes that closely resemble their incandescent predecessors. The Connecticut Energy Efficiency Fund program, like many others, includes some bulb replacement.
I decided to put the compact fluorescent lights to a test myself. Now here are 12 standard incandescent lights. As you can see, they're drawing 636 watts. Now, I'll replace the incandescent bulbs with the same number of compact fluorescents. These compact fluorescents are putting out the same amount of light as the incandescent bulbs, but consuming only 1/4 as much power, 160 watts.
When we look at washers and dryers, we're really focusing in on the washing machine. The traditional washer uses 50 gallons of water to wash one load of clothing. If you were to upgrade into an Energy Star model, you reduce your water usage by 50%. Through our program, we do offer consumers rebates to encourage them to replace their old inefficient models to Energy Star models. If they act within 45 days of our visit, we'll actually double those rebates. So you can receive up to $300 in appliance rebates through the program.
Technicians will also install pipe insulation and point out other ways for homeowners to save energy by explaining, for example, how to clean refrigerator coils, replace central heating and air conditioning filters, and clean the filters on window units. The program also provides the homeowner with their own watt meter, so they can check for other energy hogs around the house. The cost of the Connecticut Utilities version of the home energy audit? Well, about $75. Not a bad investment when you also consider
there's also federal tax credits available to consumers who upgrade heating systems, your central air conditioning, insulation, windows, doors, even getting into vinyl siding. There's federal tax credits for vinyl siding as well. And there are many states throughout the country that offer similar home assessment programs, and I would encourage folks to check with their local utility for such programs.